ducklings go to school by a clear and sunny pool. Little ducklings go to school by a clear and sunny pool. And a lot of things they learn. And a lot of things they learn. How to swim and dive and turn. How to swim and dive and turn. How to spread their toes and walk. How to spread their toes and walk. With a waddle how to talk. With a waddle how to talk. In the funny duckling way. In the funny duckling way. Quack quack quacking all the day. Quack quack quacking all the day. Little kittens go to school. Little kittens go to school by a broad and lengthy wall. By a broad and lengthy wall. How to walk and run. How to walk and run. How to chase the rats. How to chase the rats. In the funny kitten way. In the funny kitten way. Meow meow meowing all the day. Meow meow meowing all the day. Little puppies go to school. Little puppies go to school by a narrow path. By a narrow path. How to watch and guard. How to watch and guard. How to run after kittens. How to run after kittens. In the funny doggy way. In the funny doggy way. Bow bow bowing all the day.
Bow bow bow. Bow bow. Hi friends, today I am going to sing the Duckling School poem from third English. Little ducklings go to school. Little ducklings go to school by a clear and sunny pool. Little ducklings go to school by a clear and sunny pool. And a lot of things they learn. And a lot of things they learn. How to dive and turn. How to swim and dive and turn. How to spread their toes and walk.
Toes.
How to spread their toes
Toes.
and walk. With a waddle how to talk. In the funny duckling way. In the funny duckling